Hi viewers, welcome to Rasavinsuvai. Today I am going to make mint rice. For that I have taken fistful of mint and coriander leaves, then half teaspoon ginger garlic paste. You can add ginger and garlic separately and grind it. I have got this paste, so I use that. And one small onion sliced, fistful of cashew nuts, and whole masalas, spices as per your choice you can add. I have taken here Dalchini, Tej Patha, Lavang and chakri ful, salt, one onion sliced, half cup cooked rice, the mint, coriander, green chilli, garlic, ginger, cashew paste is ready here. I have taken 1 teaspoon of water in the mixer pot. Now the kadai is hot. We'll add quarter teaspoon cumin seeds and the whole masala in it. When it crackles, we'll add the chopped onion in it. The onion is translucent. We'll add the masala in it. And saute this till the raw taste of the masala goes off. I have added that 1 teaspoon water in it. It started leaving the sides of the kadai. That means this is cooked nicely. Now we will add the salt in it and the rice. After adding the rice, give a good mix. Add half teaspoon of ghee on top of it. Mix well. Our mint leaves rice is ready here to serve. That is, Pudina rice is ready to serve here. You can serve it along with any kind of raita. The mint leaves rice, that is Pudina rice, is ready here to serve. Thank you so much for watching the video. Subscribe to my channel, like, share and comment. Eat healthy, stay healthy. See you soon with another interesting recipe. Till then, bye bye.